What's going on, guys? Welcome back to this video, and today we're going to be driving a Class 375. Welcome to the last service of the night. We're currently at Rochester Junction waiting for a late service to come in. We've got to wait for this 395 to leave, and then we'll be on our way. So let's... Oh, it's already set up, is it? I think it's already set up. Not properly set up. Right, so once he's gone, we should be able to go. So this is a Jenningham service coming from London Victoria. So we'll be continuing the service to Jenningham, and then that's it. Right, we should get the signal anytime soon. I have my DRA on, I shouldn't be moving. Today would be nice. Well, these trains are limited to 30 miles per hour, so that's probably why. No one wants to be on my train today. That's unfortunate. Can I go? Come on. GMSR? GMSR doesn't work. Right. Let's go. So, what's up with the flipping horn? Okay. That's weird. That's like a bug. Right, we're on our way to Rochester now. And then Chatham and Jenningham, and then that's it. A nice little short drive for the last video on Southeastern High Speed for a little while. So yes. Definitely gonna get there before 10 over, I'll tell you that now. Wait, am I going into platform 3? Please tell me I'm going into platform 3. I hope I am. I haven't been in platform 3 yet. Oh, yes we are. 25 miles per hour. Awesome. We are now approaching Rochester. Change here for Southeastern services to Ramsgate, Dover, London Victoria, London St Pancras and London Charing Cross. Right, you come. Wait, are we an 8 car? Yeah, we're an 8 car. I thought we were a 4 car. So I have to wait for that 395 in front of us to go before we can go. But past the market, it's fine. Wait, do these work? Okay, yeah, I'll shut the doors finally. What trains on that side you got? Doesn't say. You wanna come on? Yeah, they wanna come on. Come on. This is a late night Jenningham service. We've got the yellow signal, that's good. But we're here until 10:05. That's not social distancing, is it, mate? Or mates, I should say. Right. Got 30 seconds to go. I know that these signs are a little bit incorrect, because under Rochester it said Medway or Town of Medway or something like that. Which there are mods to use to change that, but I haven't gotten the time to download any mods for this yet. I love how you can use them. Right, let's go. Right, so this is the time when aren't any guards on board, so the driver has to do the doors and drive at the same time, so he basically has to do 2 jobs at once. Oh god, I'm speed. Oh, wait, when was this 30? I mean 20. 25 I mean. Got a 15 coming up. Oh, I thought that was in yellow. Right. 15, because we've got to turn over for this junction. Got another 375 now. Good evening, mate. Where are you going to? To London Victoria. It says Rochester, but when it says Rochester, it's because it's going as far as Rochester, and then that's where it's gonna go over to a portal, and then go to London Victoria. Hang on, yeah. Okay, that does work, but you can't actually increase it. So you can move that by a keyboard key, but can't actually set it. Because this is basically the 377. They've just reskinned it and added some little features that the 375 has. So, yeah. So you can, all the 377 keybinds are still set to that. They haven't changed it now for that. But I'm pretty sure with an update, they're probably going to fix all these issues. Here we are into Chatham. Very nice. Behind the yellow line, guys. God, I never listen. The train comes to stop. I'm missing the markers a lot. Right, here we are. Welcome to Chatham, everyone. Calling at Jenningham only. So yeah, a nice little short video to actually finish it off. Can't do that. 909 and 92 were driving. $30 seconds. Wait, it's right. Last 10 seconds, guys. Alright, let's close the doors. Go rail, and let's go. Next stop is Jenningham, our last station. Oh, we've actually got to take it into Jenningham Depot too. Oh, that's cool. So I've got to put it into Jenningham Depot for the night. And then that's it. There's a cab light. Yeah, there's a cab light. It's a very, very bright cab light, I'll tell you that now. Probably shouldn't have that on. It's very bright. Speed up to 50 soon. As soon as the back of our train has gone past the board. Say now. There we go. up to 50, and shortly we'll be able to get up to 60 too. I think that, yeah, that's for a level crossing, I think that double yellow. Up to 60, but we've got to slow down for that 15 scene too. Start slowing down for that 15. Out we come. That signal telling us we're gonna change over lines. Now here we go. Changing over lines and going into Jenningham platform 1. We are now approaching Jenningham, where this train terminates. Please change here for services to London St Pancras International, Faversham and much more. Right, here we come. That's for the guards, but it's annoying because you don't get guards in trains and worlds. You've actually got to do the doors and everything yourself. I know I've got a red, but that changed soon because I've got to take the train into the depot. Right, here we are. Now let's change this to not in service, because it's not in service. See, not in service, perfect. Waiting here until 13:30. Am I late a bit? No, I'm in time. It's not very busy out on the line because it is 10:13 at night, so it wouldn't be busy. And there's quite a lot of people for 10:13 at night. Maybe not for like London Underground or something, but this is not London Underground. Right. Close doors. And we are on our way. Jenningham depot consists of manual junctions. These will need to be set correctly before entering the depot. Oh, okay. And then that means, how's that? And then that. There you go. And then, no, and then that there. There we go. There we go. Let's go. Oh god, I'm spinning. Completely forgot this is 15 here. Right, here we go. Last little bit now. Let's go to the level crossing. Let's watch the train pass the level crossing. What? I probably woke up everyone doing that. It's not 16. Speed up a little bit. It's 15. Don't cat. There we go, going into the Defo. There we go, double crossing up. Wow, already, go. Why are you going down again? Is there another train coming? Where's the next train? That side? No, it must be this side then. Okay, I don't know why you're going down. That's bizarre. Oh no, there is a train coming in. Oh cool. A375. I can probably turn these all off, can't I? Set you off, turn you off, turn you off. Let's keep you around. That's how it was when I came on the train, so. Right. People probably thinking, slow down, slow down. Okay, actually, yeah, I need to slow down. Perfect. Bang on, mate. Right, reverse off, masky off. Lights? Do you not think of lights? Tail lights on. The train. Let's disembark from the train. Let's see actually. God, I stopped perfectly. Thank you for completing this run. Let's see how you did. Okay, let's see how did I do. SEH all-rounder. There we go. So there you go guys, and that has been the end of Southeastern High Speed for a little bit. I may come back to this in the coming weeks or months. But for now, we're going to take a little break from Southeastern High Speed. And let's see what we get up to in the coming videos. So yes, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. And I'll see you guys in the next video.